Happy Mother's Day! With joy in my heart and so much fulfillment, I extend my deepest gratitude and bliss to every mother around the world. The significance of this day cannot be overemphasized in my life and kitchen because my dear mother gave me the foundation and platform to exhibit my passion and gift, cooking. At a very early age of about 6 years, it was clear I had a gift for cooking. It was something I demonstrated with everything around me, just to let everyone know I could cook. No one could stop me. Whatever my hand grabbed, I had a mission to cook. Gradually, my mother started teaching me. She had no option. It was better than her getting all her food wasted from my non-edible kiddies experiments. I have finally graduated into the kitchen. I was so happy. From local to intercontinental dishes, I started learning fast. My mother had a very good cooking experience when she was in the UK, so my world of cooking was totally guided by her. I can't exhaust all my cooking diaries today, but I promise to unfold more as you follow my food journey with me. Time went fast from just 6 years old, and when I was about 18 years, my mother gave me my first kitchen gift that she brought from the UK, a set of china plates and tea sets. She brought one for me and another for my sister. You can imagine my joy. All I had to say was I can't wait to grow up, and I did. But in my 30s, my dear mother passed on. My mother had this Rena cookware she also bought in the UK about 45 years ago. So durable, strong, stain-free, rust-free, and no dents till this day. Through the years, she used them as her dente cooking pot. I can still remember cooking and setting the table with her when we had visitors, and we sure had a lot. My mother was such a great cook and gifted cook. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Now I have her Rena cookware, and I'm still cooking with them till this day, and also my china plates and tea sets. My dearest mother, I stand here today to appreciate you and all your love. Thank you so much for everything. On this Mother's Day, your love lives on. May I continue to share your love through the cooking you taught me. May the whole world come to know my name and hear our love story. I love you so much, Mother. Please share each other's love every day and cherish your memories. Happy Mother's Day!